Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on Realme Note 60. So you have to start by opening your settings application and then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on all services and you have to find parental controls. And then click let's do this. Now click sign in. And now you have to enter your lock screen pattern. And here you have to enter your child email address. Then click next. And now you have to enter your child password. Then click I agree. Now click accept. Then click supervise. Then click next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next. And now you have to enter your parent password. Now you have to swipe all the way down. And here you have to enter your child password again. Then click next. Now click allow. And here you have to scroll down and click next. Then click done. And as you can see, my parental controls are now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.